I got a great update for TSLA. TSLA is a plan I've been talking about. The last one was really great, where we made 300% gains on the April 3rd move here. There was another plan that didn't go very far here where I had to take a break even, and since then it hasn't been able to confirm, but it's been chopping and consolidating. Okay, so I wanted to make this key point now. And again, what we require is power here. So if we don't get power, they could remain chopping. As you can see, this stock is not being dropping. You know, there were being some people that are being bearish this and they think it's going to fall to 280, and they're guessing and they're hemming and they're hawing, and they're terrible traders, in my humble opinion. I, however, have been talking the facts and being correct. I've been bullish the stock, and I continue to be bullish the stock until there are signs that something is wrong. But nothing is wrong. It's consolidating and it's ready to get higher. So let's talk about a plan instead of all the guessing that there's out there on so much foolish things I read on the boards. I laugh every day. Anyways, people, there's a bit of a mistake here. No, 328. No, three. See, there was a bit of a mistake here, but I'm going to clarify that. So TSLA set up the test 328 to 335, right? So you can see the 328 to 335. Next, on the low end, okay, the April 28 320 calls could be used. I will be explaining some important facts now present in these boxes. So pay attention, people. Just like I explained about the consolidation pattern, and a lot of my plans I talked about that we need volume and power, and it's no different now. Okay, I know this stock. If we're going to get a directional move, we can make some great money. And if there's any stock that wants to jump, it's Tesla, TSLA. We've based, now look at this. We've got rid of all the overbought. We're ready. We're ready. It's just a matter of, do they want more time? Do they want to consolidate it more? This is not up to me, people. This is up to the market. But the market is very bullish Tesla. And I say this could go even higher to these low-end targets, okay? I do think they're setting this up to go to the top in a big picture, much higher prices, 380, 400. But we aren't looking at that phase right now. We are looking for that phase one that hasn't begun yet. We're consolidating very strongly above the prior breakout, regardless of all the negativity that's been in the market. So what do we need to do to get long this stock? Well, Tesla needs to break above 309 on some strong action volume. And strong action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. Now, one of the strongest signs is we want to see a lot of power through 309. And if not, they'll have to be basing above 309 and look for power through 311 to 312. The key is this has got to need power, and if we don't get the right action, I would have to take a look at what happens on Monday, and perhaps have to make a new plan. Again, we need to see what's going to happen, right? But if we get the power, this is ready. And honestly, it should be able to smash through 309 with some strong action volume, and that will be a great way to engage in these April 28 320 calls. Let's go take a look at those. So here I am at the Yahoo Finance Board, and Tesla closed at 305.60 on Friday, April the 21st. Let's take a look at the options, people. And we'll go and take a look at the next week options here, weekly. These, listen, I love this stock when it comes to weekly options. This, I love it. You can make a lot of money. 100%, 200%, 300% is very possible. So let's take a look at the 330. The 320. As you can see, there's some good open interest here. There was some moderate trading. Also, the 315s could be used. So let's take a look at a few things. I'd say 320 because it's the most affordable. And then don't forget, this is not going to be that price when we get in. Right now, that's what it's trading at. Okay, this is a reference level here to see how far they go from the confirmation. They may confirm at about $1.20, $1.30, $1.40. Who knows, right? we need to see for the power, and wherever the confirmation is, that's where we want to enter in. We want to enter on the proper price action, and then whatever those options are going to cost. But we have a reference here, and again, the 315s could be used as well. As you can see, there was a lot of trading happening in the 315 calls. Of course, these will be more expensive. These will be the two that I would consider, the 315s or the 320s, but we use the 320s as a reference point. Again, these can make good money because I believe that if Tesla moves properly, we can get into the money. This stock can move very quickly and hit those targets very quickly. Okay, Tesla can move $20, $30 in a day, or within 2 days hit well into those targets. Right. So these weekly options can make us the dollar bills. These also cost a lot more before. Alright people, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, I suggest you subscribe. You see the Central Power Trick or Trade at the end of the video. It's going to appear here in a circle format. But before we get to the end of the video, another bullish plan that I like is BBY. Check that out. That hasn't triggered yet. But on the bullish side, I'm going to also be posting a bearish plan, which would be JPM. Okay, so for next week, I already have a couple of the bullish setups I have that I like is BBY or Tesla, if they could confirm. And if there's some bearish stuff to happen, in case there's nothing, in case the bullish stuff doesn't want to work, we've got JPM, and you know what, that is really looking bearish. And I'm going to have a plan and update on that, people, when I make that video. Okay, so look out for the JPM, and check out this new intro video that I made just yesterday. I'm gonna post it in the video. It's gonna appear around here. Okay, so at the end of the video, you're gonna see two things. You're gonna see a link to that video, and so you should be prepared to subscribe if you haven't, and check out that link. See the new intro. So this is the new intro video. I talk about the plans of options and all that stuff, right? And on the put options, some special instructions that I have for the put options. So here it is over here, because it's a little bit different with the puts. So it's that the video is going to appear over here, and to see the Central Power Trick or Trade at the end of the video, it's going to appear over here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. So there you have, people, a great update for TSLA. Thanks for listening. Like the video.